how to use advanced settings on your SCP programmable thermostat. To start, you need to access advanced settings. Ensure the thermostat is off. If not, press the power button. Next, press and hold the mode and power button together for 7 seconds. The display will then switch to the first menu page of advanced settings. This is the temperature calibration page. The default setting is 0 degrees Celsius and can be changed from -8 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius. This can be changed by pressing the up and down buttons. Use this to recalibrate the displayed floor or air temperature. The current temperature is also displayed, in our situation 27 degrees Celsius. Press the mode button to navigate to page 2, maximum set temperature. The default setting is 35 degrees Celsius, which is the maximum thermostat temperature, and can be changed from 5 degrees Celsius to 80 degrees Celsius by pressing the up and down buttons. We don't recommend going above 27 degrees Celsius, as floor types like timber, carpet and vinyl don't like getting too hot. Please check with your flooring manufacturer to find out more. Press the mode button to navigate to page 3, minimum set temperature. This is the minimum temperature that you can set on the thermostat. The default setting is 5 degrees Celsius and can be changed from 5 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius and can be adjusted by pressing the up and down buttons. We recommend keeping this at 5 degrees Celsius. Press the mode button to navigate to page 4, sensor mode. This is where you can select which sensor the thermostat reads. The default setting is out, or floor sensor, and can be set to in, which is air sensing, or all, air with floor limit, by pressing the up and down buttons. Press the mode button to navigate to page 5, frost protection. This is the lowest temperature your thermostat will allow the floor to get to before switching on the heating. The default setting is 5 degrees Celsius and can be changed from 5 degrees Celsius to 15 degrees Celsius, or off, and can be adjusted by pressing the up and down buttons. Press the mode button to navigate to page 8, heating schedule setting. This is where you can set the days you want to program, from 7 individual days, which is the default setting, all the way through to 7 days the same. Press the mode button to navigate to page 9, behaviour after a power cut. LA is on, and off turns this feature off, and can be adjusted by pressing the up and down buttons. Press the mode button to navigate to page 10, factory reset. To factory reset, press the up or down button to show RE, then press power button. To reset advanced settings, press the up or down button to show yes, then press power button. Press the mode button to navigate to page 11, backlight timer. This is the time the backlight stays on after the thermostat was last touched. The default setting is 20 seconds and can be changed from 10 to 300 seconds, 5 minutes, by pressing the up and down buttons. Press the mode button to navigate to page 12, backlight brightness level. The default setting is 4 and can be changed from 1 minimum to 4 maximum and can be adjusted by pressing the up and down buttons. Press the mode button to navigate to page 13, adaptive start. This is where the thermostat preheats the room ahead of a programmed heating schedule for only exactly the amount of time required to meet the desired temperature and time set. The default setting is 0, off, and can be changed to 1, on, by pressing the up or down button. Press the mode button to navigate to page 14, open window detection. This is where any change in room temperature is automatically sensed. As soon as the temperature drops, the thermostat adapts automatically and lets you know. The default setting is 0, off, and can be changed to 1, on, by pressing the up or down button. Press the mode button to navigate to page 15, open window detection off time. This is the duration of time for the heating to be off after an open window has been detected. The default setting is 15 minutes and can be changed from 2 to 30 minutes and can be adjusted by minute increments by pressing the up and down buttons. Press the mode button to navigate to page 16, open window detection temperature drop limit. This is the temperature change detection level in which the open window detection will occur. The default setting is 2 degrees Celsius. It can be changed between 2, 3 or 4 degrees Celsius by pressing the up and down buttons. Press the mode button to navigate to page 17, open window detection heating on again. This is the delay time for the heating to come back on after an open window has been detected. The default setting is 30 minutes. It can be changed from 10 to 60 minutes and can be adjusted by pressing the up and down buttons. Press the mode button twice to navigate to the final page, which shows your firmware version number. Press the mode button again to exit advanced settings and you'll be taken back to your home screen. Thanks for watching this video, and if you require any further information, visit our website www.thermosphere.com.